Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add social media icon links to your Shopify footer section. This is a great way to increase your social media presence and make it easy for customers to connect with you on different platforms. First, head over to your browser and type in shopify.com, then log into your account using your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can manage your entire online store. Now, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu with several options. Click on Online Store. This will expand to show you the theme that you're currently using for your store. From here, click on Edit Theme. This will take you directly into your theme customization area where you can modify the look and feel of your store. Once the theme editor loads, you'll notice on the left side there's a list of all the sections that make up your website. Scroll through these sections until you find Footer, then click on it. The footer is the bottom section of your website, and it's a perfect spot to include social media links since visitors often look there for additional information and ways to connect. With the footer section now selected, look for a button that says Add Block and click on it. A search bar will appear where you can find different block types. Type in social media links in the search bar, and when it appears in the results, click on it. This will add a new social media block to your footer section. Now, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. You'll see a list of popular social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and others. This is where you'll input your actual social media profile links. Simply click on each platform field and paste in the corresponding URL for your business's social media page. For example, if your Instagram link is https://instagram.com/your-shop-name, you would paste that entire link into the Instagram field. Take your time and fill in all the social media platforms where your business has a presence. You don't need to fill in every single one, only the platforms you actually use. Once you've entered all your social media links, look up to the upper right corner of the screen and click Save. This will apply your changes and make the social media icons visible in your footer. And that's it. Your social media icons are now live in your Shopify footer, making it simple for customers to find and follow you on their favorite platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.